Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Ashley from Level Up English, and today I am going to provide you with a full summary on everything you need to know about articles and how to use articles. This lesson will cover definite and indefinite articles. You will also find a full summary on everything you need to know about definite and indefinite articles at the end of this video. And you can also take a screenshot of the rules and keep it for future use. Hit that subscribe button and let's learn English. Let's look at the different types of articles which are found in English. We have definite and indefinite articles. We are going to begin by looking at definite articles. We use the article the to describe someone or something specific or unique. The can also be used for singular or plural nouns. Example, the moon is beautiful. I'm not talking about a random moon. I am talking about a specific moon. The moon. Another example is the food is amazing. I'm not talking about random food or food in general. I am talking about specific food. Maybe it's the food that you cooked. Definite articles are that simple. Now let's look at indefinite articles. These use a and an. We use the indefinite article when we don't refer to a specific thing. It refers to something that is not exact, something that is general. Before I show you some examples, let me show you how to decide whether you should use a or an. A is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound like b, k, d, f, and so on, then a comes before the noun like a cat, a house, a boy, and so on. Let's look at some example sentences. She has a cat. They live in a house. He is a boy. A cat, a house, and a boy refer to non-specific, singular, countable nouns. I am not specifying what type of cat or which house. An is also used in front of singular countable nouns that are not specific, and we also don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, then an goes before the noun. Remember, your vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Examples are an apple, an uncle, an egg. It's very important to remember that indefinite articles are used for singular nouns. You cannot use these with plurals. You can't say she has a cat. You have to use it with singular nouns. So we would say she has a cat, one cat. Now you'll notice that I spoke about consonant and vowel sounds. So I'm going to use an example of the words hour and uniform. Notice that when I say hour, the H is silent. So the sound at the beginning of hour is a vowel sound. Therefore, we would say an hour. Example, I'll see you in an hour. The other example is uniform. Now uniform starts with a vowel, but the word doesn't have a vowel sound at the beginning. Instead, it has a y sound at the beginning. Uniform. Therefore, we won't say an uniform, we will say a uniform. And that's it. In this lesson, we looked at everything you need to know about definite and indefinite articles. I hope this video made it easier for you to understand. Don't forget to complete the quiz at the end of this video to practice all that you have learned today. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your time today. Hop over to the end of this video and write your answers to the quiz in the comments and take a screenshot of the rules for definite and indefinite articles. This is Ashley from Level Up English signing out. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.